Hello. Today we are going to be making some mayonnaise. So mayonnaise is very simple. It takes oil, pepper, salt, lemon juice, egg yolk, and I put mustard in mine because it gives a little better flavor. So let's get started here. I got avocado oil because it's one of the healthiest oils you can use for mayonnaise. And otherwise you can use peanut oil. Olive oil is a very good one as well, but a lot of people don't like the olive oil taste to it, but it doesn't matter to me. It's pretty good. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to take a room temperature egg yolk, just the yolk, put it in there. You're going to take about a teaspoon. This is for a small batch. I'll put a link in the description or just the recipe in the description for a bigger batch, but just gonna put a little bit of mustard in there. I got Dijon mustard, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna start whisking it up. You can use a food processor. That'd be a lot easier, but I know a lot of people don't have them, so I'm just gonna do it by hand here. And the key is just to keep mixing. So then, for this small batch here, it is 1 egg, a little bit of mustard, and then a half a cup of oil. So what you're going to do, after it's all mixed up, you're just going to add just a little bit of oil, probably about as much as the egg yolk. And you're just going to mix. You're just going to mix real fast until it starts thickening up. If you add the oil too fast, it's going to separate, which is just going to be like oil and then real chunky, and it won't mix right. But you just keep mixing until it gets thicker. And you just add a little bit at a time. So you just, it's about as much as the egg yolk again. You make sure you have a bowl with high sides, because you mix real fast, it tends to splash. Basically all it is just a whole bunch of mixing. And I add the salt and pepper on the end because I heard that if you add the salt and pepper in the beginning, it destroys the quality of the egg yolks. And after about the first half is done, you can add it a little bit more at a time. But you can see it's starting to get thicker. And you just keep mixing. See, a lot of the mayonnaise that you can get at the grocery store, it's laced with preservatives and chemicals, and you don't even know how many oils and stuff they have in it. So this is a lot better, a lot better for you because you know what ingredients you're putting in. Because canola oil and soybean oil and a lot of the oils that they use are very cheap, but they're not good for you. But yeah, you just keep on adding oil and keep mixing. Like I said, with a food processor, it's a lot faster. And peanut oil is the best for, like, if you don't like the taste of certain oils. Add the last of it. And if it gets too thick, you can just add a splash of water. It'll thin it out. But then, I'm gonna add my pepper. Gonna add my salt. And I'm gonna add some lemon juice. And then you just give it a good mix. And this mayonnaise will last 3 or 4 days in the fridge in a container. So I wouldn't make very much unless you like your mayonnaise and use a lot of it. And there we go. That's what it should look like. And it's a quick video. Alright, thanks for watching.